Hello everyone, for today's video we're going to do an unboxing and review on this Buture JR600. So this is a cordless vacuum cleaner from Buture, and they actually just released this year. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. So right in the box you're going to see a quick start guide. So this is going to guide you on how to install the product, how to adjust the suction. You have the clean and install the dust cap, cleaning and installing the floor brush, and also removing the battery and using the wall mount design. So let me go open this. Inside, you'll also have a full user manual, and you're going to have this in different language. This is your telescoping pole, and you have a telescope tube right here. You have a crevice nozzle right here. You have an extra filter, and in the back you have the extra sponge. You have the cleaning brush, and right here you have the blade as well, so you can remove the hair on the rollers. And you have this screw set right here, so you can install the wall mount. And this is your vacuum head with a V-shaped roller, and you can see right here. This one is your battery. So this is a 2500 milliamp hour battery, and it can give power to your vacuum for about 55 minutes. You have the charger right here. You'll have this dust container, and right here you're gonna have your control, and you have your wall mount right here. Okay. If you look at the vacuum head, you're going to see that there are 6 LED lights in the front. It have a swivel arm that goes 90-degree this way and 180-degree sideways. So this is very flexible. It can actually go under your bed and under your couch, which is really good. And what I really like about this is their design right here. This is actually a V-shaped anti-winding swivel floor brush. If you have a string or long hair, what it does is it actually detangles it and it gets sucked into your vacuum. Let me show you my other Buture vacuum, because I have an earlier model and I've been using it for 6 months, and I don't have problems with any long string or hair getting tangled in the brush. Let me show you that. So this is my other Buture vacuum, and you can see right here we got a lot of dust and hair inside. But if you look at the brush, it's using the same anti-winding brush. You won't see a hair right here. I think like right here there's like a small one here, but once you use it, it actually doesn't get stuck right here like the other vacuums that I have. The hair will actually get moved right here and it gets pulled inside. So you can see right now it still looks clean. I have a small hair right here, but this thing, once you use the vacuum, this thing's gonna get pulled in too. This is the latest upgrade that they have. This is a really nice design, because when you open this, all you have to do is just press this and all your dirt is going to drop right here. And if you look here, you have a nice filter design here compared to the one that I just showed you. And here it actually does a cyclone filtration. So as you're using this device, the dust will just keep trickling around so it doesn't get stuck right at the bottom. Okay. And here you have the stainless steel filter. And inside this is another filter right here. They called it a micro multi-vertebral filter right here. Now to remove the HEPA filter, you can press this thing right here. Okay, and then just lift it up. And on top here, you're gonna see your HEPA filter. And when you pull this, you're going to see your sponge as your pre-filter. So this thing will gonna last a long time for you, but they actually gave you another extra. So the sponge right here, you can actually wash it and clean it. This one, you can also spray it off and dry it off as well. So you don't really have to keep buying new filters. So let's put it back on. So you'll see right here, you'll have a snap right there, and you'll have this thing right here. So you'll just snap it in, okay, and then push it. Okay, and go install this thing back. Okay, and the battery, you can actually charge this independently, or you can put this thing here and charge it here as well. Okay, so let me go ahead and install this. So to install the battery, you see the notch right here. All you need to do is just place it right here on the tab and push it in. And to remove the battery, you just want to push this and pull it out. Okay, so it's very easy to use. So you have the stainless filter here and the cyclonic filter plus the multi-vertebral filter. And on the top, you'll have the sponge and the HEPA filter. And right here, you also have a filter for your motor. So even the motor actually have its own filter. So right here is your cooling filter right here. And it's very easy to put back. All you need to do is just put it in and lock right here. So it just snaps. Okay. So once you press this on, it's going to turn the vacuum on. And when you turn the vacuum on, it's going to go into the auto mode. And once you touch this and turn it, now you can control the suction. I would suggest to just leave it in auto mode because this vacuum actually have a dust sensing technology. So basically it will adjust based on the amount of dust that it senses from your floor. Okay. So let me go ahead and press this. This thing's going to be loud. This is about 66 decibel according to the company. And here, it's going to show you your battery level. And you can adjust it also based on your preference. And let me turn it off. And if you have any blockage in your floor brush or in your dust cup, it's going to show an icon right here. So this is the telescoping pole. And to install this is very easy. If you look over here, it have this connector right here. You can only plug it one way, okay? And then you can install this at the other end. To remove it, just press it. To extend the pole, all you need to do is press here and you can pull it off. And you can adjust it. So you can extend the pole up to 24 inches. So it's going to be from this end to this end right here. And I just want to show you this tool right here. If you just look at it without looking at the manual, this thing kind of looks weird. So this thing actually is E2-in-1. So you can use it like this if you want to vacuum like the sides of your couch or your seats in your car. But if you need the brush, you can actually just press this thing and push it on. Now you have the brush right here. Okay, so let me go put it back. Okay. So that is your JR600 Buture vacuum. I hope that you found this video helpful to you. Please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button. And thank you for watching.